It is summertime, summer 2026, that's what I'm talking about, guys. You want to be looking fresh and amazing and have an incredible hairstyle? Well, I got you covered. Today, I'm going rapid fire. 5 different hairstyle options for you that I think are going to be huge in 2026 for summer, guys. Without further ado, let's get into it. Coming in at the first pick on the list, number 5, is the French crop. If you are thinking Italian summer, you're thinking a nice little fringe going on, I really like this style. The Odyssey coming out in July. You got Robert Pattinson rocking this. You got Matt Damon rocking this. Really nice if you have a forehead you're trying to cover and you just like that texture. As far as styling, just hit it with a little bit of texture powder. That's all you got to do. This stuff is going to get a nice matte finish. Put a few sprinkles in, work it around. You're going to get that texture and that fringe, no problem. Number 4, hot take, platinum blonde. I don't know. This style has been gone for a while. Back in the day, this was all the hot rage, but today it's not as often you see this style. But I think summer is the perfect opportunity to bring it back. Hit it with a little bit of curl cream, something to keep your hair hydrated so it's not drying out from that dye job, and you are going to be set. Work this through your hair. Don't worry, we got you. Number 3, the middle part. I don't have a middle part going on, but if I did, it would be down the middle just like that. This is the ultimate summer style in my opinion. Don't want to have it first on the list because that'd be too basic, but to have as an incredible hairstyle, the middle part, all the rage, guys. It is, you can slick it back, you can have it flowing in the front, whatever you want, it is up to you. The ultimate beach hairstyle. For styling, our number 1 product, sea salt spray, is what I would recommend. A few sprays into your hair, just like that, you're gonna be set. It's gonna have you having more texture and more wave in your hair and make it look like you just stepped out of the ocean. Number 2, basic, I know, but the crew cut, okay? Sometimes you don't want flowing hair as much as it looks great. You just want to have a nice clean cut. There's no better style than the crew cut. I think in 2026, it's going to be nice to see, especially in the summertime, especially for those guys that just want nice, simple hairstyles. Bam, my baby right here, a little bit of hair clay. This is what you're going to want to use for that crew cut. Put it into your hair, work it through like that. It's going to give you a matte finish. Boom, nice, soft hold. Nothing over the top, but it's going to keep it lasting all day long. Okay, what's going to be number 1? Can you guys guess it? Old money slick back. I did it. I had to do this one. This is an essential for any summer hairstyle. Nice slick back, maybe some scissor work on the sides, maybe a little bit of length in the back too. All around, this is an amazing hairstyle. When it comes to styling the old money slick back, you got 2 options. Number 1, you go with that hair putty, okay? This is gonna give you lots of volume, lots of hold, and keeping it looking natural as well. Or let's say you want just a little bit of structure with a lot of conditioning going on, hit it with that hair cream, boom, you're gonna be set. Either way, both of these are awesome options for the old money slick back. And there we have it. Another summer, another set of hairstyles. Let me know what you guys think. Do you agree with my picks? Do you think there's gonna be some other crazy hairstyle to be on the lookout for? Let me know in the comments down below. Again, my name is Gabe with the Pete and Pedro team. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you in the next Pete and Pedro video. Take it easy.